We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at apartment 9A. This is a 6-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment here on the top floor in Collegetown Plaza. Let's go on in. This apartment is shaped kind of like a triangle. You may have seen the other videos on how to choose a 6-bedroom apartment. If you haven't, take a look at those. We're gonna go through, we'll take a look at the bedrooms, the living room, and come back and do the bathrooms at the end. So starting from the right-hand side, this is bedroom number 1. All of the bedrooms will have the same furnishings. There will be a full-size bed, a dresser, a desk and chair, and a bookshelf. They will all have a closet as well. Let's go on in. We're gonna take a peek out the window. The rooms on this right-hand side are facing up Dryden Road, so we get some great morning light here in central Collegetown, great people watching options. And you can see the closet over there. There's the dresser, bookshelf. Let's go on into the next bedroom. We'll go see bedroom 2. Just gonna go around. That's one of the bathrooms across from us. All right, so our next bedroom is bedroom 2. Very similar to bedroom 1, but we'll go in and take a look so you can see. Again, same view. Let's go and look out the window. You can see Cascadilla Hall right across the street from us. So you can see we're right here in central Collegetown, just across the street from Cascadilla. So great location here. Same furnishings again. Bedroom 2 is across from bedroom 6. We'll see that at the end. Okay, coming in, let's see bedroom 3. This is our first bedroom that is a little more unusually shaped. So let's go on in. I like the layout of this bedroom. You can see this one wall does have an angle right over here where the bookshelf is. But we've got some great floor space in here. And that same view, Dryden Road, Cascadilla across the street. You can see a closet over here. So that is room 3. Let's go around. We'll see the living space and kitchen. So over here we have our living space. All of the living rooms will have a sofa. There's an easy chair, which is over on the right. There is a dining table and chair. There's a coffee table and end table. There's an air conditioner. And these 6-bedroom apartments do come with a TV. So let's look out the window one more time over here. Okay, Cascadilla, Collegetown. So this is a great view. This is a beautiful apartment. Okay, over here across from us, this is an open kitchen living space. Here's our kitchen. This kitchen has been renovated. So we've got the newer refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, oven, microwave, some cabinets. So it's an updated kitchen, which is nice. Let's take a look at bedroom 4. Where do you see this room? Look at this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of windows in this apartment, or in this bedroom here, room 4. This is gorgeous. You've got that beautiful lake view that you can see. Here we go. And we're looking, also you can see in Collegetown and to the west. So we've got wraparound views. If you've seen the videos for how the building is laid out, you'll know that the building is has a point at the end. If you're walking up Dryden Road, this is the point that you see where the building kind of looks like it's pointy. It's this bedroom. This is a really great feature to have. Closet over here. Let's go back out through the kitchen. So that is room 4. We're gonna go see the last 2 bedrooms and then the bathrooms. Okay, so across from room 3 is room 5. And this is one of the west-facing bedrooms. So you can see same things. And looking to the west, so we get a valley view and more lake view. That's really nice to have. Okay, one more bedroom. Room 6 is across from room 2. So let's go on into that. So room 5 and 6 are basically the same size. They're just kind of laid out differently, but same overall size. Let's go on in here. I want to see that view one more time. Okay, so we're looking to the west, so you get the beautiful valley views, and over to this way, there's that lake view. So you get that stunning lake view from rooms 4, 5, and 6. So here again is the furnishings, closet over on our right. Let's see the bathrooms. Over here, this bathroom is the larger of the 2 bathrooms. So this is, we've got your toilet, your medicine cabinet, the vanity, the standing tub shower over here. Let's go to the other bathroom. Okay, the second bathroom is right next to the entrance door that we came in. This one is smaller, but you've still got that full standing shower over here, so that's nice to have for 6 people. You've got your toilet, the vanity, and the sink over here. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 9A. We have this model of apartment, the A style, on floors 5 through 9. Again, this is the 6-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment here at Collegetown Plaza. We're at 111 Dryden Road. We're located just 1 block from campus at Collegetown Plaza for a 6-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment.